guys, we're really excited today. We have a great video coming up. So today, what are we doing, Jen?
Guys, we are designing our own dream board for 2020.
And we have all the pictures. Literally, we printed so many pictures. And we have the decorations and stuff. So these are them. So guys, we're gonna do this for you guys. Well, you guys are gonna see what we plan and aiming to do this year. Alright, let's see. Gotta see what pictures cut it and what pictures don't cut it. So I don't think this one cuts it.
God no. That's gonna be in the trash area.
Exactly. Bye-bye picture. So you wanted that one.
See, we need to think of
cameras and stuff, guys.
Guys, so we have like so many different like Polaroid pictures, I guess. I don't know if you can see that.
There's another one here.
Oh my god. Okay, so let's like design our color scheme basically.
And another one.
Guys, I like Polaroids. What can I say?
She loves them. She loves them. I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. Now.
Okay.
So there's like a bluish one to match our jumpers, guys, as you've seen, and there's a white one.
These two.
Maybe we should like bring the camera closer.
I think so.
Maybe.
One sec, guys. Oh my god.
So basically, you have to pick which Polaroid you want, and I'm gonna look at these right.
I have like pictures of like Las Vegas. Then is this Italy?
That's Greece.
Basically Greece. I don't know if you guys can see these. So we will get to the pictures in a second while we are placing them down, but first we're just trying to find out like what the layout would be.
Yeah, and what we want and what needs to go where. We have a few quotes and everything. We're basically gonna tell you guys. So I have books just to like lean on and stuff when we're gluing down. But a dream board is basically what you want to achieve for the year. So we're making a dream board for the year. What we want to achieve, what we want to do, where we want to go, what we want to see. And it's all based on the law of attraction. So if you believe it's gonna happen, it will happen.
And guys, don't like make your expectations way too high that you won't reach, because that will just set you guys up for failure. And just look at your dream board like that would never ever happen.
Yeah.
And it will.
And it won't happen if you're just sitting at home not doing anything about it. You have to go out and you have to make it happen.
You have to move your butt, you all.
Yeah, you have to make it happen, you guys. And you know what? You can do anything you set your mind to. Anything. No matter what anyone tells you, you can do literally anything that you want to do.
Exactly.
So that's it. So you guys are going to see what we want to do for the year, where we want to go, what we want to see, etc, etc. So we're just going to pick the pictures, and then we're going to get gluing and decorating and stuff, and you guys will see that. Do you want to keep this one?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah?
Y'all, Las Vegas, here I come!
Or do you want to keep this one instead?
We'll see what works with what.
Okay, because that's Las Vegas too.
I know. But that looks so cute.
That's Milan.
Alright. My god. So many places. I know, it's cute.
That's cute. Okay, okay. We both went
Okay.
to. We both went to. So there's two of them. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
You gonna go to Japan?
Yeah. For the
This year?
noodles. Yeah.
This year?
Yeah.
To Japan?
Yeah.
Can we?
I don't know. It's a vision board. We have the law of attraction. After much hesitation, we are ready to start it.
Sticking down stuff. So we're gonna basically put two quotes in the center of our vision board. So these are the two quotes, you guys. So Jennifer will read one, I'll read the other.
Scared? Good. We don't grow when we stay inside our comfort zone.
And my quote says, well, our quote, like everything is for us, but you know.
Yes, they get that.
Okay, it's just the one in my hand. Guys, you understand? Capiche? 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 Okay. Mine says, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. This year, we're going to try to be more consistent with our YouTube videos. Because, it was 2018. We started, but we didn't really do much. We did like a little bit, and then we took a long break after February 2019. I'm pretty sure, like if you go back to our old videos. So we took a break for a long time. And we only started shooting again towards the end of 2019. So that's kind of sad.
That was our mistake.
Yeah, that was our mistake. We really wanted to do it, but it's just the pressure of like school and college all combined. And like my college is far from her school, and when we come back home, like timings aren't right and stuff like that. And I have my part-time job as well, so everything's just clashing with each other. But now, this year, we're going to try to be more consistent, you guys. That's what we're gonna try to do.
That looks so
Anyway, I'm gonna show you what we're doing. We're gonna show you what we're doing on a vision board. We're gonna explain everything in detail in a little bit, but first let us just decorate and put things down. We also have these really cool gems. I don't know if you can see, this is just silver gems, and these are blue and purple gems. And we have 2 sets of glue, so we can both glue together, and they're matching. And we also have scissors. I have blue scissors, and I know you have scissors somewhere, but I don't know where they are.
I got red, y'all.
Woo! And then we also have like this blue background. I think there's also green. There's more colors in there. You might stick the, for just decoration or something, I don't know. So this is a Sharpie I'm gonna use, you guys. I'm using a black Sharpie. So I'm gonna take this quote that I have here. It says, you weren't born to just pay bills and die. Alright, you're also supposed to enjoy life, go out, see places, have fun, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna draw it in a love heart, and I'm gonna try to cut it out in a love heart. If I don't, then... So I think I got it, and there's a love heart there, and it's super cute. And I'm gonna cut it out and see if that works. And if it doesn't work, then, you know, that's it. Let me see.
Oh my god, that's so cool. That's like an arrow.
There's so much glue on my hands, you guys. Like, so much glue, I don't even know what to do.
Guys, look at this.
So far, it's coming out really cute. Now we have to make a color. We have to think of a color for our title for 2020, because we are not doing this anymore. And we're also not going to do the paper version of this. So we're going to put them onto cardboard and see how it goes.
So, basically, it's kind of like divided in half, if you think about it. So, this half over here, this is all like Liselli inspired stuff that she wants to achieve. And this is kind of like mine and hers. So, basically, I'm all about Vegas, y'all. My goal is to go to Vegas this year. And I plan on getting a job, saving up money. And in fact, I plan on saving up 10,000, you guys, this year, just all on my own, because I really want to go on a holiday with my sister, go vlogging. So
Are you gonna save to 10,000 in a year, or are you gonna save it in
in a year. This is all 2020 achieved.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay.
Fingers crossed, y'all. And over here, I would like to drive soon. I guess not yet. I still have to take my theory test. So yeah. And then we plan on both, you know, achieving 5K subscribers this year. I mean, we could have gone for something higher, but
We're being
let's
realistic.
be realistic. And here, I've got
That's Greece.
that's Greece. Yes, Greece.
I'm the one who picked that. I really want to go to Greece this year, as you guys can tell from the picture. Also really want to go to Milan. That's also on my list. In Italy. So yes, those 2 are from me.
And
I'd also like to get my license this year. I've done my theory, so she hasn't done her theory. So I have my theory. And I just want to do my lessons and then get my license. And I'd also love to go somewhere during Christmas time and take cute ass pictures like this. That's what we have to do. And we have to start taking more pictures. So I put this here. We have to start taking more pictures with each other. That's in Vegas. So hopefully we go to Vegas and we take really cool pictures. I'd also love to start reading more. I want to read more books this year. Like, I don't really read a lot, if that makes sense. But I'd love to, like, at least read a few books.
what's like your number one book that you really want to read?
Well, I have like 5 on my bed window that I haven't like really finished reading completely. I've read like halfway.
I've seen them. You've
Yeah.
never touched them.
I touched them last year.
You have the guts to say that on camera? That is embarrassing.
Woo! Anyway, so back to this. And I really want to start eating more healthy than I do. I don't really eat healthy. Like, some days I'll eat like fruit or like vegetables and stuff like that. But then I have days where I like binge, you know? It happens to everyone. Happens to everyone. Also, right in the middle, we have the taking more pictures that we want to achieve. And we have 2 special quotes that we're going to stand by this year.
And you guys,
stand by.
I really want to get a Polaroid. It's just something about like instant pictures that looks so amazing. I know Liselli was giving me like a lot of bull for it because she was like, it's so expensive. But you guys, It just looks so nice. Oh my god. And
All
then,
right. I'll keep that in mind. I might get you one then.
And this is kind of the quote that I am swearing by lately. So you weren't born to just pay bills and die. No, you guys, that is why I'm kind of like setting myself up for like success. I don't exactly just want like a normal 9-to-5 job. It's just not me.
That's it, boss lady talk.
It's not
Queen.
me, you guys.
Queen.
And like, just look at me. Do I look like someone who would actually wake up every single day, 9-to-5?
No, she can't even wake up for school.
Exactly. Like, that's already a struggle. I don't know how I'm even gonna survive. So, I got plans for myself in the future, you guys. And hopefully, you will see me achieve them eventually.
I like that. That was cute. Guys, and we also have this. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. We're going to be consistent with our YouTube channel. We're going to try to do better with our YouTube channel. And we're going to try and keep you guys up to date with everything that's happening. We're going to try and make more videos for you guys. Guys, it's coming out really well. I love it.
I feel like this looks freaking cool. Like, I've never seen a really nice one just like this.
True.
We think our dream board is actually really pretty. Okay, it's pretty. These are the gems. They're really super cute. So we're gonna glue them onto the little gap here because there's nothing going on. Maybe around the 2020 and decorate them. And maybe we should do silver gems instead around 2020, and then colorful gems in the middle where there's nothing. So yeah.
Guys, this is the end result of our dream board. Doesn't it look fantastic? Oh my god, guys, we love it. And if you are
New to the channel, subscribe.